On the third day of Christmas, someone said to me, why don't you debunk work from home? It's D. Greetings, my fellow remote warriors. Today, we're peeling back the curtains on the fantastical myths of working from home. Buckle up for a journey of laughs and truth as we debunk these virtual illusions. First, on our myth-busting journey, the belief that coffee is the magical elixir of productivity. Newsflash. Sipping on an espresso won't turn you into a work wizard. If only life had cheat codes. You get the work done by creating systems that make you productive. So work smart, not hard. Next, the myth that the perfect Zoom background is the key to virtual success. Spoiler alert. No one cares if your backdrop is a beach or a boardroom. It's not the Truman Show. Your colleagues won't judge your Zoom set design skills. Now, this one is my pet peeve. The myth that working from home means you're available 24/7. Just because I'm at home doesn't mean I'm on call for a never-ending work fiesta. Hello? Work-life balance, is that you calling? Here's a big one. Silence equal productivity. Have you ever tried focusing to your neighbor's lawnmower serenade? Noise cancelling headphones are a work from home superhero's best friend. So don't let anyone trick you that silence equals productivity. You have to make that time to be productive. Myth number 5. No commute, no stress. Ain't gonna lie, I don't miss the commute, but as it turns out, the commute may be gone, but so is the me time you had on the way home. Now it's a swift transition from Zoom calls to Netflix binging. Talk about a whiplash. Nonetheless, ensure you find time to get out of the house on some days. If it's even just to buy some ice cream and get some fresh air. That can be a game changer, trust me. Now, the last thing on this list that we'll talk about, or the last myth that we'll touch on, is that unlimited snack access. Yes, your kitchen is closer, but no, you can't snack your way through a deadline. The only thing you'll gain is a snack belly and a looming sense of regret when you miss that deadline. So there you have it, 6 work from home myths debunked. So if you were caught up in this trap, I'm sure we cleared that up for you. Now, if you chuckled along the way, please hit that like button and subscribe for more work from home reality checks. Until next time, keep conquering those virtual mountains. And remember, coffee is great, but deadlines are greater. Bye for now.